Have you ever wondered why database recovery is such a pivotal aspect in the world of technology? A database is like a treasure chest of information. It houses critical data, and losing it can be detrimental to the of any company, organization, or individual. So, when disaster strikes, it's the process of database recovery that steps in, restoring lost or damaged data and bringing the system back to its normal, functioning state. In summary, database recovery, an essential process, saves organizations from data loss nightmares. It involves 6 steps: assessment, backup, recovery, replay of transaction logs, validation, and learning and prevention. It's not solely about data recovery, but also learning from failures and preparing for the future. It serves as an insurance policy for your data, which may appear unnecessary until necessity strikes. So, always plan, because in the world of data, it's always better to be safe than sorry.